Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your wallet address on Exodus. We'll go through the simple steps to find your receive address for any cryptocurrency supported by Exodus. It's a straightforward process that involves just a few clicks. You'll learn how to open the application, select your desired asset, and then securely copy the address. This guide will help you confidently receive funds into your Exodus wallet every time. To begin, simply open your Exodus wallet application. Once it's loaded, you'll see your portfolio displaying all your different cryptocurrency assets. Now, choose the specific cryptocurrency you intend to receive. For example, if you're expecting Bitcoin, click on Bitcoin. This action will take you to a dedicated screen for that asset, showing its current balance and transaction history. On the Assets Detail screen, look for the Receive button. It's usually quite prominent. Clicking this button will reveal your unique wallet address for that specific cryptocurrency. This address is a critical piece of information, acting like your bank account number for crypto. You'll also notice a QR code, which is simply a scannable version of your address, making it easy for others to send you funds. Once your receive address is displayed, locate the small copy icon next to it. Click this icon to securely copy the entire address to your clipboard. Now, you can paste this address wherever it's needed, such as into an exchange or directly to a sender. It's crucial to always double-check the address, especially the beginning and end characters, to ensure accuracy before any transaction is finalized. This simple step helps prevent errors and keeps your funds safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.